Surface temperatures exceed 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't weather, it's physics pushed to the extreme, a powerful burst of radio waves. It lasted milliseconds, then disappeared. These were named fast radio bursts, or FRBs. What shocked scientists most was how closely it matched Einstein's predictions from over 100 years ago. A century-old theory, confirmed. But space wasn't done surprising us. In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope began sending back data that stunned astronomers. Among its discoveries was one of the most distant galaxies ever observed, JADES-GS-Z13-0. Light we see from this galaxy has traveled for more than 13 billion years to reach us. That means we are looking at it as it existed near the dawn of cosmic history. Space is strange. Not science fiction strange, real strange. Over the past few decades, astronomers have discovered worlds so extreme that even scientists had to double-check the data. Today on Power 5, we're counting down 5 of the craziest space discoveries ever confirmed. All real, all observed, all documented. And number 1 will take us back to the earliest days of the universe. Let's begin. 5. The planet where it rains glass, JWST-9733b. About 63 light-years away is a planet called JWST-9733b. It looks deep blue, almost like Earth, but that color isn't water. Using data from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, scientists found its atmosphere likely contains silicate particles, tiny fragments of glass. Wind speeds there reach over 5,000 miles per hour. Researchers believe molten glass may rain sideways across the planet. Surface temperatures exceed 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't weather, it's physics pushed to the extreme, and somehow it's only number 5. Fast radio bursts. In 2007, astronomers analyzing old telescope data found something unusual. A powerful burst of radio waves. It lasted milliseconds, then disappeared. These were named fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Since then, dozens have been detected from distant galaxies. In 2020, at least one was traced to a magnetar, a highly magnetized neutron star. A single FRB can release as much energy in milliseconds as the sun produces in days. And for years, no one knew what caused them. And what's coming next changed physics forever. Start 3. The first image of a black hole, Sagittarius A. For decades, scientists believed a supermassive black hole existed at the center of our galaxy. They had mathematical proof. They had indirect evidence. But in 2022, they finally had an image. Using a global network of telescopes called the Event Horizon Telescope, researchers captured the first image of Sagittarius A, the black hole at the center of the Milky Way. It's about 4 million times more massive than the Sun. The image revealed a glowing ring of hot gas surrounding a dark center, the event horizon, where light cannot escape. What shocked scientists most was how closely it matched Einstein's predictions from over 100 years ago. A century-old theory, confirmed. But space wasn't done surprising us. 2. The interstellar visitor, Oumuamua. In 2017, astronomers detected an object moving rapidly through our solar system. Its trajectory showed something unusual. It didn't originate here. Named Oumuamua, meaning scout in Hawaiian, it became the first confirmed interstellar object ever observed. It appeared unusually elongated and accelerated slightly as it left the sun. Most scientists believe it was a natural fragment from another star system. But the bigger realization was simple. Something from beyond our solar system passed through ours, and we were lucky enough to see it. And number 1 takes us even farther back, close to the beginning of time itself. One of the oldest galaxies ever seen, JADES-GS-z13-0. In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope began sending back data that stunned astronomers. Among its discoveries was one of the most distant galaxies ever observed, JADES-GS-z13-0. This galaxy formed roughly 320 million years after the Big Bang. Let that sink in. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. The light we see from this galaxy has traveled for more than 13 billion years to reach us. That means we are looking at it as it existed near the dawn of cosmic history. What surprised researchers most was how developed it appeared. According to previous models, galaxies shouldn't have formed so quickly, but there it was, fully visible, fully real. Sometimes the universe doesn't break the rules, it rewrites them. From glass storms to cosmic radio flashes, from black holes to visitors from other star systems, these discoveries remind us of something simple. We know far less than we think. If you enjoyed exploring the edge of the universe, share this with someone who loves big questions. This is Power of 5, and the countdown never ends.